This sachet is a magic instant flavor mix jelly. This is a one of finished product. Can I get the example of how to mixturing the food coloring? If you want to use this is a one example of the mixturing. How to mix. Added a white and green. This a cornstarch. So, what the result? And squeeze one. Then put the water, only 1/2 cup of glass of water. Then put in the gas stove or any of gas stove, basta gas stove. Then you cook until make it thicker or thicker. Then see it will what is the result. So it's the same. Do you think imagine that the result is only the same because they made of the magic jelly mix. Did you get it?